Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn trigonometric ratios. Let's start with the three fundamental ratios: sine, cosine, and tangent. These describe relationships between the angles and sides of a right-angled triangle. A helpful mnemonic is SOH-CAH-TOA, which stands for sine is opposite over hypotenuse, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, and tangent is opposite over adjacent. Understanding these basics is your first step. Next, focus on the special angles, 30, 45, and 60 degrees. You can easily derive or remember their ratios using two specific right triangles. For 45 degrees, use an isosceles right triangle with two equal sides. For 30 and 60 degrees, use an equilateral triangle cut in half. Knowing these key values will significantly simplify many trigonometric problems and calculations. The unit circle is a powerful tool for visualizing trigonometric ratios beyond acute angles. Imagine a circle with a radius of 1 unit centered at the origin. As you move around the circle, the x and y coordinates directly give you the cosine and sine values for that angle. Remember that all students take calculus rule to easily recall which ratios are positive in each of the 4 quadrants. Finally, consistent practice is crucial for mastering trigonometric ratios. Work through various problems involving different angles and triangle types. Apply these ratios to practical situations, such as calculating the height of a building or the distance across a river. Regular review and problem solving will solidify your understanding and make these ratios second nature, helping you confidently tackle more complex topics.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.